Shalom Aleichem. Welcome to class. I'm Rabbi Oluwafemi. Today I'm going to be teaching on the biblical Hebrew alphabet and on the group 4 of this division of the 23 alphabets. So on this group we have Mem as the first, then we have Nun. Second, we have Samik, that's the third. Then lastly we have Hain. So these are the 4 consonants that we have in the biblical Hebrew alphabet on group 4. Now, beginning with this is named Mem in biblical Hebrew, that's Mem, and we have the English equivalent as Hem, as in we have man. So, and this takes 2 forms. We have the initial and we have the final form written this way. So this is also Mem. So this will be written this way when it appears at the end of a word. For instance, we have Ma Nyim. So this is Mem at the final stage, and this is Mem at the initial stage. So let's have 2 other examples for Mem. Now we have Ma. This is another Hebrew word, Ma. It is translated Mem, Kamet, that's long vowel A, and we have E. So this means how. It's a question, or what? How or what? So that's Ma. Okay. Let's address the second on this group, which is Nun. Nun also is written this way. That's the biblical Hebrew name, that's Nun. Then let's have the English equivalence, that's Hen, as in Ne. Okay. Nun takes 2 forms. If you check my video on letters with 2 forms. So Nun could be written this way or this way. In other words, written across the line. However, this is the form it takes when it starts a word, while it takes this form when it ends a word. Let's have 1 or 2 examples on Nun. For instance, we have Navi. Navi. This Navi, translated as this is bait, but because it's without a dagesh, so it is translated as the. Then we have the Yud, that's not very long, and we have Aleph, so it's called Navi, and it means, that's the translation, prophet. Prophet. We have another example, as in we have Natan. So this Natan, it means give or establish. So Natan, we have Nun also, that's the final stage, and we have Nun beginning the word. So this Natan and will be translated this way. Natan, and it means give or establish. Let's move to the third on this fourth group, and that is Samic. Samic. Samic looks like the mem, the final mem when written. So, but there's a way we can easily differentiate. The name in Hebrew is Samic, and we have the English equivalent as X, as in say. Let's have an example. We have say. C'est paix, which means, okay, it is translated, we have this, we have pay, we have, this is segu. Then we have resh, and it means a book. A book. We have another example of this Samic as sus. We have the translation as Samic is Shurek, that's Vonguel U, and we have Samic as well. So it means a horse. A horse. Let's see the last consonant on this four group. That is the Ayin. Ayin. This is the name. Ayin. And we have the, it's also a silent consonant. The English equivalent is the opposite of the English apostrophe, and it's written not on the line, above the line. So the silent consonant is just like the Aleph. Okay, now we have example like as in Ayin. Ayin. In other words, we have Ayin, we have Patash, that's the vowel, we have Yod, we have Irek, then we have the final Nun, it makes it Ayin. And that's the name given to this word, and it means Hi. Hi. Okay. Let's see another example. Like we have E. E as in Ain. We have erect yod. Erect yod is a long, naturally long vowel. Erect yod. Then we have resh. So, and it means city, a city. So, these are the 4 consonants that we have in the 4th group in the division of the 23 Biblical Hebrew alphabet. So I believe you have been blessed by this video. I'd like you to subscribe so as to have more. Thank you for watching. Shalom.